Shwmae pawb, hi, it's Lisa here from the Talk and Play team. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Tap Tap nursery rhyme box. Now you can use these with your children on a rainy day or even if it's just for 5 minutes. Now nursery rhymes are an important way to engage your children in repetition, sounds, choosing the songs and also having lots and lots of fun. Now to make a Tap Tap box you will need obviously a box with a lid. And some items from around the house. These are the ones I've chosen for us today. Basically put them in the box. So I've got a bus to sing Wheels on the Bus. I've got a teddy bear, sing Round and Round the Garden. I've got a duck, which is just a flannel, whack whack, for 5 little ducks or 3 little ducks. I've also got a teapot, for I'm a Little Teapot. I've got a pair of black gloves, which I thought was quite cool to use with Incy Wincy Spider. And it's quite nice that the children can use them as well. I made a star, just using some cardboard and some foil from the kitchen for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I've got my very own musical instrument, just using some pasta, some rice. The children can decorate the bottle, so don't put them in recycling just yet. And last but not least, I have a pot of bubbles, which we all should know by now, our favourite song is Pop the Bubbles. So if you'd like to go and find some of these items, and then you can join me on Friday, we will be singing lots of these nursery rhymes together. I hope you'll join me. Okay, see you soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye.